Here is what is coming up on Saturday's episodes of Around the House with Eric G. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast on your favorite podcast player. If you want exclusive content and early access, make sure and subscribe to the Around the House Insider. In the first hour of the Around the House national radio show and podcast, Eric G sits down with John Fowler from Millboard Decking and Cladding. This stuff doesn't look like the plastic you are used to. If you want something durable that looks like real wood, this is the stuff for you.
Well, when you see it on a wall and it's got 6 different grain patterns and the dark and the light, and every single board that comes out of our plant is actually hand painted to start into the grain pattern, which shows the dark grain and the dark color in the grain here, the black grain and the brown board. So it's meant to look realistic, but when you see it in that UV application, like we've seen jobs in Denver and Vegas and Florida and California, it is unbelievable. I think the best testament to that was recently in Los Angeles.
Coming up in this week's second hour of the show, armed with a fleet of cooks, mobile pits, kitchens, and volunteers, Operation Barbecue Relief delivers the healing power of barbecue to disaster-affected communities, offering solace to residents, first responders, and relief workers. Eric G sits down with Stan Hayes, CEO of Operation Barbecue Relief, as they discuss his classes this weekend and how they serve millions of meals and help out the community. Let's get this show started.
And I'm sitting there cutting up ribs and they're asking for me to give them ribs. And I'm like, yes, chef, here you go, chef. And I'm like, I'm questioning how I'm holding the knife and I know how to hold a knife. You know what I mean? I was like, oh, hey, I'm rolled up.
I've been there when I've cooked with those guys and they're coming over going, hey, this is amazing. And I'm like, it's a compliment when they come over and they're like, hey, can I get some of those ribs, right? That you're doing, you're putting out a product that these guys want to eat. That means you're doing some stuff right.
Yeah, when I got Alton Brown with his hand on my shoulder going, hey, man, can I get those 2 right there? I'm like,
all that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. Are you an Around the House insider? To get the show early with exclusive content, check out the link in the show notes below. Make sure you catch our new website at aroundthehouseonline.com. Otherwise, our 2 new episodes publish each Saturday here on your favorite podcast player. Thanks for tuning into Around the House. We will see you on Saturday. This Father's Day, skip the socks and step up to the flame with the all-new Eminence series from Monument Grills. With premium stainless steel, powerful burners, and precision control, it's everything Dad needs to command the backyard like a boss. Give him the grill that's as legendary as he is. Monument Grills, built for greatness. Ready for Father's Day. To find out more, head to monumentgrills.com. That is monumentgrills.com. Now that is a great barbecue.